When it comes to engraving, there's all different types, and there's two that really look very similar and are capable of engraving a lot of the same things, just one is much more powerful and more expensive than the other. Right here we have a diode laser. This is the xTool F1, and this is the xTool F2 Ultra fiber laser. So fiber versus diode, what's the difference? Well, they both can do pretty much all the same materials, except the fiber laser can go in deeper into materials. It actually can do some cutting, versus a diode laser is really just for simple engraving and some marking. If you're looking at this machine right here, this is a 20-watt laser. This is a 40-watt laser. Now you think, oh, 20, 40, it's twice. No, there's times where this thing is significantly faster than this. It's more than twice as fast when you're doing certain jobs. So why would I get this over this? It comes down to the price. This xTool F1 is going to run you around $1,500 for everything. The rotary, the air purifier, versus this F2 Ultra. It is newer, it's a couple years newer. It is way more powerful, but you're looking around $8 grand if you're getting all of the bells and whistles. So if you're getting started with engraving, or you're looking for a second machine to complement a CO2 laser engraving machine, you might be looking at a diode, a fiber, or a galvo. Think about what materials you're going to be engraving. If you're going to do a lot of metal marking, look at a galvo. In our shop, we want versatility. That's why we have a CO2, a diode, and a fiber laser. If you're gonna do a lot of engraving, you're gonna wanna be looking at the fiber. If you're looking to just get started, have a backup machine, do events, that's where I really like the diode. Diode lasers are cheaper, they're lighter, they're versatile, they're just slower. There are some things that this machine can't do that this one can, but I am not gonna ever put down a diode laser if you're trying to do drinkware, whether it's stainless steel, powder coated. If you're doing journals, notebooks, coasters, some of the most common products, this little machine for $1,500 can absolutely do it. If you're trying to do larger run and use a conveyor belt, even color engraving, that's when you want to be looking at a fiber like this F2 Ultra. If you have any questions on how to select the right engraving machine, specifically choosing between a diode and a fiber laser engraving machine, please don't hesitate reaching out to us at printphase.com.